Welcome back to the channel. Today we're uncovering the hidden value and collector appeal of the Liberty United States of America Jefferson Nickel D Mint Mark coins, a series that many people overlook but serious collectors actively search for. At first glance, a Jefferson nickel with a D Mint mark may seem ordinary, but certain years, rare minting varieties, and striking errors from the Denver Mint can make these coins extremely valuable in today's coin market. From early Liberty-era details to modern Jefferson Nickel D Mint coins found in circulation, some examples have sold for hundreds or even thousands of dollars. In this video, we'll explore the history, design features, rare dates, and era varieties that make Jefferson Nickel D Mint coins so desirable. So before you spend that 5-cent coin, watch closely, because you might be holding a rare United States Jefferson nickel that collectors are willing to pay big money for. From early Liberty-era details to modern Jefferson Nickel D Mint coins found in circulation, some examples have sold for hundreds or even thousands of dollars. In this video, we'll explore the history, design features, rare dates, and era variety. The 1995 D Jefferson nickel is one of those coins that almost everyone has held, spent, or ignored, yet very few truly understand the hidden excitement surrounding it. At first glance, it looks like nothing more than an everyday 5-cent coin, but in the world of serious collectors, this year and mint mark can spark intense curiosity. What makes this coin fascinating is not the face value, but the rare circumstances in which a normal-looking nickel transforms into something extraordinary. When condition, striking quality, and unexpected mint behavior come together, a simple coin can suddenly command attention powerful enough to shake the collecting world. Many people believe value comes only from age, but the 1995 D Jefferson nickel proves that condition can outweigh time. Coins struck with exceptional clarity, blazing luster, and untouched surfaces exist in far smaller numbers than most realize. These top-tier specimens feel almost unreal in hand, glowing with a bright, silver-like sheen that makes collectors stop and stare. When such a coin survives decades without wear, scratches, or dullness, it becomes a rare survivor, and rarity is the language money listens to in the numismatic market. The real thrill begins when collectors encounter mint anomalies hiding within this date. Certain 1995 D nickels were struck with subtle but dramatic errors that slipped past quality control. These mistakes are not flaws to collectors, they are signatures of uniqueness. A single double detail, an off-center strike, or a planchet irregularity can turn an overlooked coin into a headline-worthy discovery. Each error tells a story of the mint's machinery and a moment when something went unexpectedly right by going slightly wrong. What fuels the imagination is the idea that such a coin could be sitting unnoticed in a drawer, jar, or old collection. The market rewards what cannot be easily repeated, and high-grade or error examples of the 1995 D nickel fit that description perfectly. When demand collides with limited supply, prices climb fast, sometimes reaching levels that shock even experienced collectors. It's not about fantasy, it's about how fiercely collectors compete when they know another chance may never come. The shine of this coin often leads people to call it silver, even though its true value lies not in precious metal, but in perfection and rarity. That bright, clean surface reflects careful preservation and exceptional minting quality. Collectors chase these coins because they represent the best of modern U.S. coinage, a reminder that even recent history can hold treasures capable of changing financial outcomes when discovered at the right moment. Stories circulate among collectors of ordinary nickels turning into life-changing finds after professional grading. The difference between a spent coin and a certified, elite-grade specimen can be staggering. Once sealed and authenticated, the 1995 D Jefferson nickel can step into an entirely different league, where serious buyers compete not with pocket change, but with deep respect for rarity and strong offers that reflect it. This is why experienced collectors always advise caution before spending or dismissing any 1995 D Jefferson nickel. The smallest details matter: the sharpness of Jefferson's profile, the steps of Monticello, the smoothness of the fields. These details separate common coins from those that command extraordinary attention. What seems ordinary today can become extraordinary tomorrow once its true nature is revealed. So if you ever come across a 1995 D Jefferson nickel, treat it as more than 5 cents. Look at it closely, protect it carefully, and never rush to let it go for less than its true potential. In rare cases, a single nickel can rewrite a financial story, turning chance into opportunity and curiosity into fortune. In the silent world of coins, the right discovery at the right time really can change everything overnight. The 1985 D. Jefferson 5-cent coin appears ordinary at first glance, the kind of coin most people overlook without a second thought. Yet in the mysterious world of rare coins, history has proven again and again that even the simplest pieces can hide astonishing power. What transforms this nickel from spare change into a legend is not just its date or mint mark, but the rare circumstances under which certain examples were born. When condition, strike quality, and mint anomalies collide perfectly, a common coin can rise into an elite class that collectors obsess over, talk about in whispers, and chase for decades. What truly fuels the imagination is the idea that not all 1985 D nickels are equal. Some were struck with exceptional force, leaving Jefferson's portrait sharp, bold, and alive with detail. Others escaped circulation entirely, preserved in stunning mint brilliance that reflects light like polished metal. These top-tier survivors are incredibly scarce because nickels were meant to be used, not saved. When one appears untouched by time, with flawless surfaces and glowing luster, it immediately separates itself from millions of worn examples and enters a completely different universe of value. Then comes the realm of minting irregularities, where fortunes are truly made. Coins struck off-center, coins with dramatic doubling, coins missing elements, or coins created on unexpected metal blanks carry a magnetism collectors cannot resist. These mistakes were never supposed to exist, which is exactly why they matter. A 1985 D. Jefferson nickel displaying a bold, unmistakable error becomes a one-of-a-kind artifact, something no mint can ever reproduce. That uniqueness is what drives competition, and competition is what pushes values into shocking territory. High-grade examples amplify this effect even further. When a rare error or exceptionally struck 1985 D nickel is preserved in near-perfect condition, its desirability multiplies instantly. Collectors are not just buying metal, they are buying survival against odds. Every tiny mark avoided, every sharp line preserved, every untouched surface tells a story of chance. In the rare coin market, stories backed by scarcity command attention, and attention brings serious money. The fascination surrounding this coin is also psychological. People love the idea that life-changing value can hide in plain sight. The 1985 D. Jefferson nickel represents hope, possibility, and surprise. It reminds collectors that treasure does not always come wrapped in gold or silver, but sometimes disguised as the smallest denomination in your pocket. This belief keeps collectors searching rolls, vaults, and collections, convinced that the next extraordinary discovery is still waiting. For those who truly understand numismatics, patience becomes the secret weapon. Spending such a coin without inspection could mean losing something extraordinary forever. Under proper examination, magnification reveals secrets invisible to the naked eye. Sharp steps on Monticello, bold lettering, unusual textures, or strange alignments can turn an overlooked coin into a centerpiece of a serious collection. Knowledge transforms curiosity into power. Auction history has shown that when the right nickel meets the right buyer, prices can soar far beyond expectations. Wealthy collectors are not chasing face value, they are chasing rarity, prestige, and bragging rights. When two determined buyers compete for a truly special 1985 D. Jefferson nickel, logic disappears and emotion takes control. That is when a 5-cent coin stops being small and starts rewriting financial reality. This is why seasoned collectors warn never to rush, never to underestimate, and never to dismiss a coin simply because of its denomination. A single exceptional nickel can outperform entire collections of ordinary coins. The market rewards the rare, the bold, and the nearly perfect. And once such a coin enters a high-end collection, it may never resurface again, increasing its legend with every passing year. So if you ever encounter a 1985 D. Jefferson nickel, treat it with respect before making any decision. Hold it, study it, protect it. Because history has shown that the smallest coins can carry the biggest surprises. In the right condition, with the right characteristics, this humble 5-cent piece has the power to redefine worth, ignite dreams, and remind the world that fortune sometimes arrives disguised as ordinary change. The 1976 Jefferson 5-cent nickel often slips through people's hands unnoticed, yet its story has an intensity that keeps collectors awake at night. At first glance it looks like ordinary pocket change, but beneath that familiar design lies the kind of mystery that fuels legends in the coin world. The year itself carries historic weight, and when a coin from such a moment survives in extraordinary condition or unusual form, it begins to separate itself from the millions that were casually spent. This is where curiosity turns into obsession, and a simple nickel starts to feel like a locked vault waiting to be opened. What truly ignites excitement around the 1976 Jefferson nickel is not the date alone, but how rare perfection really is. Most examples were used, scratched, dulled, and forgotten, leaving only a microscopic number preserved in breathtaking mint brilliance. When a coin survives with sharp strikes, glowing surfaces, and untouched details, collectors see more than metal, they see survival against odds. In that rare state, the coin commands respect, and respect in numismatics often translates into astonishing value that shocks anyone who still believes 5 cents is all it can ever be. Then there is the endless fascination with unexpected mint behavior. Some 1976 nickels escaped the mint carrying strange traits that were never meant to exist. Subtle doubling, unusual textures, dramatic misalignments, or metal irregularities can transform an ordinary issue into a one-of-a-kind prize. These coins feel almost alive, as if the mint itself whispered a secret into them before releasing them into the world. When collectors discover such a piece, competition becomes fierce, and prices rise not because of hype, but because no replacement can ever exist. Many people whisper about silver when discussing rare nickels, but the real power of the 1976 Jefferson nickel is not myth, it is rarity. Value does not come from what most believe, it comes from what almost no one owns. A nickel with extraordinary qualities can attract attention far beyond its face value, drawing serious collectors who are willing to pay extraordinary amounts to secure a coin that completes a collection or elevates a legacy. In that moment, disbelief turns into realization, and realization turns into opportunity. Condition alone can change everything. A worn coin tells a story of spending, but a pristine one tells a story of escape. When Jefferson's portrait appears bold and commanding, when Monticello stands crisp and architectural, and when the surfaces shine with untouched energy, the coin crosses into a different category altogether. These are the examples that dominate conversations, spark bidding wars, and redefine what people believe is possible from a 5-cent piece. The emotional pull of such a coin is just as powerful as its monetary potential. Collectors are not only buying metal, they are buying history, scarcity, and the thrill of owning something almost no one else can touch. A standout 1976 Jefferson nickel can move quietly from a forgotten drawer to a centerpiece collection, carrying with it the power to astonish even seasoned experts. That journey from obscurity to spotlight is what makes this coin unforgettable. Stories circulate of coins dismissed too quickly, spent without a second thought, only to be later recognized as exceptional. This is why experienced collectors warn against rushing, because value often hides behind patience and careful observation. The right 1976 Jefferson nickel does not shout its worth, it waits. And when it is finally understood, the realization can feel like discovering treasure where no one else thought to look. Holding such a coin can feel surreal, knowing that something so small can carry such weight. It represents the idea that fortune does not always arrive loudly or obviously. Sometimes it arrives disguised as something familiar, something overlooked, something ordinary. That is the quiet power of the 1976 Jefferson nickel when it appears in its rarest and most desirable form. So if you ever come across a 1976 Jefferson 5-cent coin, resist the urge to dismiss it as spare change. Examine it, protect it, and respect its potential. Because in the rare coin world, one extraordinary example can rewrite expectations, ignite dreams. Here is your 9-paragraph, fully original, highly engaging script, written in my own words, with powerful storytelling, no points, and no outside sources. I keep it dramatic and gripping while staying smart and believable for viewers. The 1946 Jefferson nickel is more than just the first coin of a new American era, it is a silent witness to history, born just after World War II when the United States was reshaping its future. At first glance, it appears ordinary, but collectors know that this year carries an unmatched emotional and numismatic weight. This was the debut year of the Jefferson nickel, replacing the buffalo design, and that alone places it in a special category. Coins from transitional moments often carry hidden power, and the 1946 issue stands at the doorway of modern American coinage, where rarity, condition, and history collide. What truly elevates the 1946 Jefferson nickel is not just its age, but the extreme scarcity of surviving coins in untouched, elite condition. Most examples were heavily circulated during a time when coins worked hard in daily life. Finding one today that still holds blazing luster, sharp steps on Monticello, and flawless surfaces is like finding a time capsule sealed for decades. These top-condition survivors are the coins that ignite bidding wars, because perfection from this era is unbelievably rare and fiercely hunted by serious collectors. The real magic happens when a 1946 nickel shows full steps on Monticello, a detail so fragile that most coins lost it instantly through circulation or weak strikes. When all steps appear sharp and uninterrupted, collectors treat the coin like royalty. These full steps examples become instant stars, often separating a normal coin from one that enters elite collections. This is where value multiplies, and where a 5-cent coin suddenly carries a presence that feels far greater than its size. Then there are the minting irregularities, the unexpected fingerprints of history that turn ordinary metal into extraordinary rarity. Slight doubling in lettering, unusual strike pressure, or planchet irregularities transform the 1946 nickel into something completely unique. These mistakes were never meant to exist, and that is exactly why collectors crave them. A rare error from this year is not just a coin, it is a one-of-a-kind artifact, and rarity like that commands breathtaking attention in the market. What fuels the imagination is how quietly these coins have survived. Many were stored away unknowingly in drawers, jars, or old collections, passed down without understanding their potential. When rediscovered, especially in exceptional condition, they shock even seasoned collectors. The idea that something so small and overlooked can suddenly emerge as a financial heavyweight is what makes the 1946 Jefferson nickel feel almost mythical among enthusiasts. Another layer of value lies in the emotional demand tied to the first-year issue. Collectors building complete Jefferson nickel sets must have a 1946 example, and the competition for the finest specimens is relentless. Demand never disappears, but supply continues to shrink as coins are locked into long-term collections. That imbalance is where dramatic price surges are born, and where the phrase, unimaginable worth, stops sounding like exaggeration. The story of this coin feeds the dream that fortunes don't always announce themselves loudly. Sometimes they whisper from the palm of your hand. A preserved 1946 Jefferson nickel, especially one with elite details or rare characteristics, can represent opportunity far beyond expectations. It reminds collectors that value is not always obvious, and that history rewards those who look closer instead of spending too fast. This is why knowledgeable collectors warn against rushing to sell such a coin cheaply. Once released, it may never return to your hands. The right buyer, the right moment, and the right presentation can elevate a single nickel into something life-changing. While not every 1946 nickel is priceless, the rare ones hold a power that feels almost unreal when compared to their humble face value. In the end, the 1946 Jefferson nickel stands as a symbol of hidden potential. It teaches that wealth does not always glitter loudly, and that sometimes the most powerful treasures are the ones we overlook. If you ever encounter this coin, treat it with respect, curiosity, and patience. Because within that small circle of metal lies a story of history, rarity, and the thrilling possibility that a single discovery can change your fortune overnight. If you want, I can now make this 15-minute YouTube narration fire, turn it into viral SEO titles, and description fire rewrite it even more dramatic or mysterious. Just tell me thumbs up.